Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch.
Foxtail from the deep.
Hello? Are we live? Okay. Oh, Lord. Okay. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks, and this is our Sunday live chat. What's up, you guys? I feel like I haven't been on live, and it's been a minute. It's been a couple of weeks. So, do I even need that light? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I could use that. Okay, but what's up, y'all? So just give me 1 second and let me send this link to Facebook. So I got it on Facebook, and then just let me send it over to Twitter. And make sure you guys click that thumbs up button for me. It's been a little minute, and we'll talk about that in just a second before we get into some things. I got it on Twitter and then Instagram. Hold on, what's up with Instagram? Okay, now they changed it up. Put the link on there. Boom. All right, I got it, y'all. Bet. All right, so what's up, everybody? Wow. So yeah, I haven't been here in a little bit. Really just needed to get some, just take a little break. I was getting a little overwhelmed, and it was very much so needed. I feel amazing and just thankful for life and love and for all of you guys being here, because a lot of people were like, we gonna be here, take your time, mental health, you know how it is. So thank you guys so much. What's up, Alvin? What's up, Sharon? Ebony, that's my sister's name. Sherry, what's up? Ryan, Octazone. Sebastian, Christine, Terry, Keisha, Desiree, Sharonda, what's up? Thank you so much. Peggy, hey girl, what's up, Peggy? Leon, okay, thank you so much. Samston, Linda, Patricia. Okay, we have everybody in here. Okay, thank you guys so much. And make sure y'all clicking that thumbs up button for your girl. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get into it. This is our Sunday. Let me do this. Okay, so, oh man, what? Oh, hold on. Where is the live screen? Oh my goodness. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so let me just tell you guys this. I just got a new computer. So it looks like some of my stuff is messed up. Dang. Oh man, this is terrible. Hold on, let me see. Just give me 1 second, you guys. Just give me 1 second. Display. Oh man. Is this it? Okay. But that's not the screen that I want, though. Well, okay, I'm gonna have to do this then. Hold on. Dang, y'all are seeing this on live. So this is what it really is. Hold on, y'all. Lord have mercy. Girl. Okay, so yeah, I had to, I just got a new computer, so this is on the new Mac. Okay, so that's it. Can y'all see that? Then let me change the screen. Okay. Whew. All right, everybody. So this is going to be our Sunday live chat, and you'll kind of see underneath me. Oh no, hold on. It's blocking me. Oh Lord. Okay, golly. How did I have it? I think this is about the size that it was. Okay. Thank you guys so much for your patience. I didn't even realize that it did all that. Everything else looks okay though. All right, so yeah, this is our Sunday live chat where we're just gonna do a little bit of technical analysis on a few stock charts. So what I need for you guys to do is I need you to put the ticker put the ticker symbol down below. And then also just let me know if you're trying to day trade it. Are you more interested in day trading or swing trading? Because we would obviously look at a different time frame. And then also just let me know what's the catalyst, what's going on. Do they have an earnings report coming up? Did they just drop something new? So just let me know why you want to look at this stock, and then we'll go ahead and get into it. All right, what's up, Deetra? Thank you, the ground report. Yes, click that thumbs up button for you, girl. What's up, High Moon? This light is kind of in my face there. Hold on. Damn, y'all are getting the full behind the scenes in here, okay? Stop playing with me. What's up, Ryan? A struggle streaming in good effect. Yes. Yeah, Sharon, we got it. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, Sharonda started it off. And this is BBIG. Okay, so let me pin this right there. And let me put this right here. All right, so let's see what it's talking about. Okay. Okay, so this is BBIG. I wouldn't consider this a penny stock because it's a little bit over $5. So one thing I'm pretty sure that you're interested in is this huge price spike. It was trading around $2 and it shot all the way up to $12. And this was back in August. What is this? They had an earnings report. -5. Okay, so I mean they kind of had a negative earnings. I'm not 100% sure what's going on financial wise with the company. This is just looking at technicals, but you did see that huge price increase back in well, I guess from August till about early September, and then it kind of starts to drop off from that 12, and it has kind of been in a strong downtrend for a while. But you did kind of start to see the price spike back up last month on the 11th. Wait, no, this month on the 11th, yeah. So, I mean, it's looking like it's in a strong uptrend right now. Just looking, I don't know if you guys saw the indicator video that I just put out last week on the ADX indicator. But yeah, this is definitely looking like it's in a very, very strong uptrend right now. The ADX value is like 37, so that's pretty strong. And then you're seeing some, you know, some good movement with the DMI plus. Your MACD indicator looks great. The price is above the center line, and it looks like we just had. So this is on the 180-day chart, 4 hours, and we just had a crossover with our EMA lines on the 12th. So that was maybe about a week ago. So I mean, I don't know if you're trying to do a long play on this. Or what you have going on. Honestly, if you're looking for a price target, of course we would want it to hit somewhere near that previous high that we had of 12. So going into next week, if I was looking at this for the price to continue upwards, I would definitely kind of want to see it break above this this, what is this amount, $8.80 to about $9. That would be a really good indication to me that it is going to continue upwards. And then even on the MACD indicator, you'll kind of see as we closed out on Friday, it kind of started to kind of build back up to the center line. So that's always a, why is my voice cracking? That's always a good sign. So, I mean, it looks pretty cute. And then this is really nice because the RSI is low. So for it to be, you know, making moves like this, you know, steady increases, this is pretty good. This looks really good to me. So that's BBIG. Okay, so thank you so much for that, Sharonda. Okay, let's do something else. So this is from Obi. This is CEI. So let's do that next. Put this in here. And make sure you guys click that thumbs up. How many likes do we have on here? 40? I'm gonna need y'all to make that work. Okay, Camber Energy. Energy is doing pretty, oh my, hold on. Okay, so this is definitely a penny stock. Yeah, that had a cute little pump up to 4. And when was this? Okay, so it definitely jumped up to $4 last month on the 29th. And I mean, it's just kind of been dropping ever since. The MACD line, you know, it's definitely below the center line there. And then right now, there doesn't look, I mean, there's not really a strong trend, but it's definitely has more selling pressure on this stock. So, I mean, in my opinion, it would probably continue in that downward momentum because it's definitely in a downtrend right now. It's trading below the 50-day moving average. So, yeah, I don't know. But thank you for that. Okay, so we're going to do another one. This is from Alvin Smith. What is that, Airbnb? Oh my God. Okay, so first of all, while I'm doing this, I was at a beautiful Airbnb on, what was that, Friday? My cousin had a get-together, and it was at a game-themed Airbnb. And so they had, like, Mortal Kombat, Ninja Turtles, and everything in there. So it was pretty cool. Okay. All right. So, okay. Okay, wow. Okay. One thing that I like about this is Airbnb was kind of definitely dropping. What is this? Back in January. So for kind of pretty much most of the year, it was kind of dropping, and then it looks like it's somewhat tried to make a comeback starting in late July. So it's definitely been trading above the 50-day moving average. That's pretty good. And it kind of looks like right now it's kind of trend trading. So I don't know if that's going to mean that, you know, this is going to kind of start to change into a downward trend. But right now it's definitely kind of trading in between this zone. It has some resistance at 177. And we've kind of hit this support 3 different times at, what is this, 160? And it's at 169 right now. So it definitely looks to be in a short-term uptrend. So I don't know if you, oh no. But it did just kind of have a crossover with that MACD. So we'll just, I don't know. I would want to see, is this going to continue kind of on this little, let me see, this little trend right here, this little upward trend, or if it kind of breaks through that. It's kind of looking like it's right at that cusp. And we did have a little crossover right there. So let's just see if it bounces off of that center line or if it continues moving downward. And then you'll see here, even on our ADX indicator, the positive movement is kind of dropping a little bit there. And we're kind of starting to see a crossover with that DMI minus over the DMI plus. So going into next week, if I was looking at this, oh no. Okay, so yeah, and it looks like, when is this, starting on the 14th, it kind of started to taper off a little bit. So I don't know, if I was wanting to do a long call, if you were trying to go for that, I would definitely need to see that price come, you know, at least above 170. I would need to see that type of movement, and it would kind of indicate that it's kind of getting out of this little downward motion that it started. Oh no, and then looking here, you definitely see that DMI minus kind of started to go up. So we'll just kind of see what happens with that. The RSI is definitely oversold. So we'll see with Airbnb. But it's definitely a good long-term play because it's uptrending right now, long-term wise. Short-term wise, we'll kind of see. Okay, let's get into another one. Hello, our lives. What's up? Okay, Oxzone. Okay, so 2 people asked for Tesla, and you said they have an earnings report on Wednesday. I think I just read a report about that. Wow. Okay. So this is definitely giving a strong uptrend over the 180-day 4-hour chart. So they have an earnings report. You said, when is it? Okay, after market on the 20th. Okay, so they have an earnings report coming up in a few days. Last earnings, how did they do? So, oh my God. Okay, look. So on the last earning, they were expected to get 52 cents per share, but they actually got $1.45, and it's just Tesla's really been doing this thing. I think I talked about that in one video. 40, wow. So it's probably going to do well again. I'm not looking at any fundamentals, but just looking at the two previous earnings that they did have, and then just everything they have in going on in the news. Tesla's doing crazy right now. Definitely uptrending. I don't know if you're interested in doing options, because you already know what I'm going to say. If you're trying to do earnings in option, if you're trying to trade options during earnings, you definitely want to watch out for that implied volatility. So I'm just going to assume you're trying to do options, Oxzone. Let me see. Hey, Lena. Okay, I got you next, Lena, okay? It's blurry. It shouldn't be blurry. If it looks blurry, refresh your screen. Who said that? Sharonda, just refresh your screen and then see what happens. Okay, yeah, so look, the implied volatility, it's a little bit high. It's a little bit high up there. And then also, I don't know if you would want to pay this much for your options. I don't know your account. So what I would definitely do is do some type of credits, like a credit spread, or an iron condor, and it says with the market maker move, it's expected to possibly move up or down around $59 or something like that. It could be more, but it's just a guesstimate. So, just kind of see what happens with that one. And then if you're, holding on to shares, I would just say keep holding on, honey, because it's clearly going up, okay? Uptrend. So that's going to be nice. Okay, so that was really cute. Thank you so much for that, Oxzone. I declare bankruptcy. Oh, no. Where's Lena? Okay. Hey, girl, hey. Okay, can you look at AMD? Okay, bet. AMD. Okay, Lena says, can you look up AMD $113 call, expiration date 10/22. Okay, so that's coming up. All right, let me change this in here. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up for me too, please, while I'm setting this up. Wow. Okay, well, the first thing I just want to say, just looking at that, the RSI is definitely kind of having a continuous buildup. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that, but I do like to see that buildup with the RSI. MACD is looking very, I don't know. Oh, girl, just don't worry about it. New computer, I'm trying to do this for y'all. We did just kind of have a little crossover with the MACD, but let's just see what happened. It's not a full crossover, but it looks like it's setting up for that. But we do definitely have a strong uptrend. You see how high the ADX is. It's 51, and then we have our DMI plus at 36. So that's pretty good. Let's look at the options though. Okay, so you said the 22nd 113. That's not that bad, $100. I don't know how much you got in this. 3,000. The delta is not too bad. Okay, so what is the question? I don't know. I mean, definitely, if it expires on the 22nd, you definitely want to probably sell that before it expires, unless you really want to buy, those shares at 113, because it's 112 right now. So I'm not sure what you're trying to do with it. Oh Lord, here's Angela. Hi, Angela. Thank you so much for your $49.99 super chat. Thank you, Angela. But yeah, Lena, I'm not 100% sure. If you said you had a call, I don't know if you might be down a little bit on this. So, and then like I said, we did just kind of have let me see, look, that we did just kind of have that crossover right there. So let's see, I'm not 100% sure. Let me zoom in just a little bit to the 5-minute. Okay. See, it has been in a nice little uptrend for at least Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday was doing cube. It kind of fell off on Friday. I would definitely want to see it at least hit up to 112.88. So maybe like a few more cents, which I don't know, Lena. I don't know if you want to cut your losses on that one. I don't know, Lena. But, yeah. I wish that expiration date was a little bit further out. Like if it was further out, I would probably say hold on to it because it's definitely in an uptrend. And I think I don't know if we talked about this on the last video. I think we did. I don't remember, but it's definitely doing cute with the chips right now. So I don't know. We'll just kind of see. Lena, oh, I got in last Thursday. I'm hoping it goes up by the 22nd. You have a few days, but I'm just, the longer you hold it open, it's gonna lose value. What's the theta on this? You said 113. Oh no, the theta is kind of high too. Is this the right one? Yeah, the theta is kind of high too. So I don't know, Lena. You just have to go with your decision. Go with your gut on that one. But yeah, like I said, going into next week, I would definitely want to see it surpass that 112.88. And if it kind of started to, drop a little bit below that, then I don't know. Okay, but thank you for your $20 super chat, Lena. Thank you so much. Down, Lena, I didn't see that 14%. Lena, I think we said the cutoff for our stop loss was 10. I don't know, I might go ahead and cut my losses on that one. But thank you so much, Lena. Ugh, my throat. Okay. All right, let's do, okay, we've been on here for 20 minutes. So listen, you guys, I still need to finish editing our top 3. I already have our top 3 here. And they're pretty much all related. I guess this really is earnings season right now because everybody is having earnings reports. So I need to go ahead so I can get that out to you guys. Who's from Marcus? Do you have a specific strategy that differs from swing trades and long-term buy and hold stocks when it comes to futures? Are there different indicators and risk projections that you're making? I don't trade futures. Do I have a specific strategy that differs from swing trades and long-term? In my opinion, I would really just say it depends on the chart that you're looking at, your time frames. That's definitely going to help you out with that. If you're trying to do a short-term swing trade, maybe look at days and weeks. And then if you're trying to do something longer, like leap options, then maybe, the 180-day chart, a year chart, and things like that. And the indicators, I feel like they would be the same. It would really just depend on the time frame, like I said, and then you can use crossovers and things like that to kind of see what you want to do. So I hope that answers the question. Risk projection. All right. This is from David. What delta do you look for on your short-term options? Short-term, I would say at least 50 to 60. 50 to 60 is good for me. Now, that's just if I was going to do, I guess that's a long. So you said short. If I'm doing short, like a credit spread or something like that, I would want to look for a really low delta. Like if I can have a delta of 0.20 or 0.10 or less, then I'm definitely going for that because you definitely want a low delta for that. Thank you, D Bird. Thank you so much. All right, next one. This is from Jermaine, and this is BAC. Sitting nice for me. That kind of rhymes. I don't know if you meant to do that. But this is BAC, so let's see. These people are outside of my window turning up out there. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is doing cute. Oh, so they just had an earnings. Okay, hold on. So let's zoom out a little bit. Oh, okay, Bank of America. Wow. This is nice. Okay, so Bank of America is definitely doing cute after that earnings. Okay, they had a cute little earnings beat. So they were expected to get about 70 cents and they actually got 85. So that's definitely an earnings beat. The stock has been in a continuous uptrend all year. Definitely, what is this? This is at 25. So yeah, it's kind of a strong uptrend. You see that DMI plus is, kind of at the top here. And we did just have a crossover. Actually, the same day of earnings, we just had a crossover with the MACD So that's pretty good. RSI is looking a little bit high, but you know, even with the cool down, it's not dropping too much. It dropped like from 40 to 41. I mean, excuse me, 44 to 41. So, you know, even if it did have a pullback, that looks good. Sitting nice for me. Okay, so I'm not sure what, you know, what you're wanting from this. If I was going to want to kind of see it continuing in this uptrend going into next week. Okay, so it's already at 40, 46, 37. I would want to see it continuing up to this previous high. So that's usually kind of where I base my decision. Like if I want to see, is it going to continue in an uptrend? I'll just kind of base it to the previous day's high. And, you know, once it surpasses that, then that's kind of a good indication that it could continue going up. You kind of see the MACD did drop a little bit below that center line. So we'll just kind of wait and see what happens with that going into tomorrow. The RSI looks okay. It's at 54. So that's not too bad for an uptrend. That's not super high. But yeah, it looks pretty good. So yeah, they definitely had a good earnings. Good. I have Bank of America. Okay. So thank you so much for that, Jermaine. Okay, Sharon said, what's your position? Can you explain credit? Sharon said, can you explain the credit spread process again? You mentioned it needs low delta. Okay, so basically when you're doing a credit spread, you're going to be profitable when the options lose value. So that's why I would want to look for a stock that has a lower delta, because it's a lower delta and also a higher theta, because it's going to lose value faster. And so you wouldn't necessarily have to hold it up until expiration. I mean, if you hold it until expiration, you'll get that full credit. So it's just the opposite of doing a long position. When you do a long position, you pay the premium. But when you're doing credit spreads and stuff like that, then you're going to receive that premium. You get the full premium if the options expire worthless. But if it loses value faster, then you can go ahead and you can buy back in at a lower price earlier than having to wait until expiration. So it's kind of like you get your return faster, basically. So that's why I would look for a low delta. Okay, Alvin, yes. Thank you, Alvin, dropping the breadcrumbs. So Alvin said with long term, you're going to definitely want to look more into good companies. And I think the question was, is my process going to be different? Definitely, you would want to do more fundamental research on long-term trades. So thank you for that. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm probably going to do one more, and then we're going to wrap it up for tonight. So I can go ahead. I know I wasn't on here that long, and I just came back after 2 weeks, but I got to finish this video so I can get it out to you guys. Oh, there go, Mar. We already talked about Tesla. Oh, this is cute. Okay, thank you, Big Boss. Okay, so this is UPST. Make sure you guys click the like button while I'm doing this. So this is a little intermission. Let me zoom out. Girl. Okay. Y'all see what's going on? This thing is, okay. It's not me. Wait, what? It didn't change on here. Okay, I'm tripping. Let's see. Oh, wow. Damn, this is high too. Okay. Oh no. Okay. So you have a put, a $350 put that expires on the 12th of November. So that's kind of a little bit further out, and you're kind of wanting it to fall in price. What is this? Okay, that's not too bad. So it has some previous resistance at around 280, and you would definitely definitely want to see it dropping. Okay, well, we're definitely in a strong uptrend right now. I would definitely want to see like a crossover with this EMA, these EMA lines here. It's definitely in a strong uptrend right now, though. Let me see. 12. What did he say? 350. I don't even see 350 on here. Let's see. Oh, no, it's too much. I still don't. Okay, I might have to do all of them. I don't see the 350. Hold on, y'all. Okay. 19. Okay, so you have that? What are your questions? Like, are you in this position right now? No, I don't use VWAP. What's going on, William? Okay, so I'm not 100% sure what you're asking me with this. Thank you, Sharon. It definitely has a, kind of like a large width between the bid and the ask. Kind of a low volume. But really, I just feel like you would want to start to see if the stock is going to like drop after this strong uptrend. So I really can't time it. It's been in a strong uptrend. I'm just trying to see, why did you do a put? But, going into next week, I would need to see it drop to 385. Obviously, if it starts to drop at all, then that's going to be a good sign for you. But, I would really need to see it drop below that 385. I don't know if you're already in the position, but okay, so if you're not in the position yet and this is something that you're trying to plan to do, then I wouldn't get into that put play until I started to see that price kind of start to drop, and then I would need to see it around 384 and see how strong that trend is before I enter that. But like I said, it's in a strong uptrend right now and you have a put. So, I mean, I'm not sure. Yes, what? Thank you, Ozzy. I don't know, but yeah, before I entered that, I would really want to see it kind of start to drop to that at least 385, and that would definitely signal to me that this strong uptrend is starting to taper off. But like I said, it's in a very, very, very strong uptrend. The RSI is a little bit overbought right now, but you'll kind of see this stock, it'll be, it can stay overbought for a little bit of time. And let me just look at their earnings. They had an earnings beat, a really good earnings beat. So, yeah, I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure, Big Boss. But good stuff, good stuff. If it's building momentum, that's the wave. That is the wave. Okay, you guys. So, thank you so much for your patience tonight, you guys. I know we've had some technical difficulties with this. Got the new computer though. I know you didn't see any glitching though. I don't think it's glitching, so that's definitely helpful. Boom. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna let you guys go, do your meal prep, get your clothes ready for tomorrow, for the week, and I hope you guys enjoy your life. And I'll have the top 3 options coming out for you tonight, so just be on the lookout for that, and I'll have that out to you. All right, you guys. So I'll see you later. Bye.